It has been long enough. Today, the 340 gets aggressive. Hey, this is Chris with Kies Motorsports. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up, subscribe. Be sure to check us out at KiesMotorsports.com. Like I mentioned earlier, today we're going to be adding some aggression to the 340. We'll be adding a PSM Style aggressive spoiler. So let's talk about the PSM Style aggressive spoiler. Now, working at Kies, I had the chance to try out each style on my car, and I really fell in love with the CS style at first. The aggression with the points, it really sold me, and I was ready to put it on my car. Now, we've been getting a lot of requests for the PSM aggressive style lately, which made me second guess my decision on the CS style. So up until like a week ago, I was sold on the CS style, but I was like, let me try this out on my car. I put it on my car and fell in love with it. I was like, I can't go back to the CS style. I'm gonna put this on my car. Also, the difference between the PSM aggressive style and just our PSM style is these aggressive points. You'll see on the regular PSM style, these are rounded. These points add so much aggression to it, and I was sold. Now, it really comes down to preference. I decided to go super aggressive, but we've got everything at Kies from low profile all the way to super aggressive. But honestly, anything's better than whatever that is. So, let's put it on my car. So while we're at it, let's add a little more carbon. So as you can see, the spoiler looked great and was definitely a necessity. And that shark fin just added a little more pop. So that should hold me over for maybe a week. Now, I chose the aggressive style and I do love it. But you've got so many options at Kies Motorsports, it's time for you to choose yours. Once again, this is Chris with Kies Motorsports. If you liked our videos, give us a thumbs up, subscribe. Be sure to check us out at KiesMotorsports.com. See you next video.